Hello friend, today I am here to show you how to draw a 2D staircase in AutoCAD step by step. To draw a staircase in AutoCAD, you can follow these steps. Open AutoCAD and start a new drawing or open an existing one. If you are new here, please kindly like, share, subscribe and bring your comments. Let's start.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to show you how to draw 2D AutoCAD view steps. Okay, let's start. Type L for enter. 10 feet, 6 feet, 6 inches. Enter. Again 6, again 10 inches, 10 feet. O for offset. External wall 6 inches. Join this line. Type F for fillet. Click here and click here. Enter. Again, close this line. Enter. Now type DI for distance. Here is 6 feet 6 inches. And let's go this side. 6 feet 6 inches. And this side 3 feet. And here 6 inches. Okay. O for offset. Type 3 feet for landing. So intervals here is 10 inches. So you type O for offset 10 inches. O for offset 10 inches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and now make a line in the middle. Drop down. Type O for offset and type 3 inches both sides. Delete the middle line. E for eraser. TR for trim. TR. Enter. Delete this line and change this color of the line. Okay, and make here, change here to hiding. Okay, you see here, oh, it's small, so right click, come to properties, change here, type 20. Here don't type spacebar, type the main enter on your keyboard. So you see, here make this side, here we have a window here, type L. O for offset 2 feet both sides. Oh, sorry. O for offset 2 feet. Enter. Oh, okay. L for enter. O4 offset, type 2 feet. Drag line, delete the middle line, select and change the color to yellow. Now I'm coming to draw this up arrow. So make a horizontal line, A4 line, and make top, come this side, enter, delete the middle one, type H for hatch, go to solid and change the color to yellow, enter. Now up, go to test and drop here, type up, select, go to here, change the size, type 4 inches, and type enter. Oh, sorry. 4 inches. Oh, up, select, type 4 inches, enter. So select, type G for group, enter. Now the next one, we are coming to give the numbers. Again, test and type here 1, select, change to 3 inches, type enter. So this number I can copy to this area is 1 to 18. So now I'm coming to generate in automatic. So I click here. Oh, sorry. And I come here. And I type here. Okay. Here is column. And here is row. So I click here. And change column. I change 4 to 1. Type 1. Type enter. And come here. Rows. S9. Type 9. Enter. And here is the intervals is 10 inches. So I change the distance to 10 inches. I type 10. Now copy this numbers to this side. So I type CO, enter, and copy to here. Okay. So explode this line, these numbers. Select, type X, enter. Again here, X for explode. Okay. Now here I'm coming to use the shortcut. So this shortcut will give me this number automatically. It's generate. So type TC, count. So type, select count, and not give, and type here 1 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. After finish, type your keyboard, enter. So here we have S and Y. So come to downside, select order, again enter, and you see top side, overwrite, and click here. Now you see already finished. So now we have hatch here. So shortcut of our type H for hatch. So you go here, I change the color and drop here. So we give here distance 15 inches, enter. Now my staircase is finished. Guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, and bring your comments.